നമസ്കാരം. ഷാഡോ ലേണിംഗ് സൊല്യൂഷൻസിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഈ വീഡിയോകൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഉപയോഗപ്രദമാകുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും താഴെ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. കൂടാതെ സഹകരണ മേഖലയിലെ പരീക്ഷകളുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് സ്റ്റഡി മെറ്റീരിയൽസ് ആവശ്യമുള്ളവർ താഴെ കാണുന്ന നമ്പറിൽ കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. കൂടാതെ സഹകരണ മേഖലയുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് ലേറ്റസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ന്യൂസുകൾക്ക് താഴെ കാണുന്ന വാട്സപ്പ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുക. CSEB 2023 ഏപ്രിലിൽ നടത്തിയ പരീക്ഷയുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. GK പാർട്ടിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളാണ്. In which drama the character Shylock appears? Othello, Merchant of Venice, King Lear, A Midnight Summer, Freedom. Answer option B, Merchant of Venice. Which animal found in Kerala and Tamil Nadu is an endangered species? Tiger, Nilagiri, Thar, Macaquus, elephant. Answer option B, Nilagiri, Thar. The captain of a cricket team is otherwise known as skipper, batter, all-rounder, bowler. Answer option A, skipper. Out of the 6 principal organs of UN, one is not located at New York. Which of the following? UNESCO, Security Council, International Court of Justice, General Assembly. Answer option C, International Court of Justice. What is the name of Nehru's ancestral house located at Allahabad, Prayagraj? Swaraj Bhavan, Kirti Bhavan, Rajya Bhavan, Ananda Bhavan. Answer option D, Ananda Bhavan. The president of Ukraine is Vladimir Putin, Volodymyr Zelensky, Alexander Lukashenko, Salome Surabinchivili. Answer option B, Volodymyr Zelensky. Which of the following scientist was a botanist? E.K. Janaki Ammal, Anna Mani, P. Vijayalakshmi, Tessie Thomas. Answer option A, E.K. Janaki Ammal. Another name for the disease myopia is short-sightedness, long-sightedness, ricket, scurvy. Answer option A, short-sightedness. Who wrote the book Nirmadalam Poothakalam? Madhavikutty, P.R. Shyamala, Rajalakshmi, Sugathakumari. Answer option A, Madhavikutty. What is the original color of black boxes in aeroplanes? Black, white, orange, blue. Answer option C, orange. How many spokes are there in the Dharmachakra in the national flag? 20, 24, 12, 18. Answer option B, 24. Who was the first Keralite to appear on the Indian coin? Sri Chittira Tirunal, Ayyangali, Sri Narayana Guru, Chattambi Swamigal. Answer option C, Sri Narayana Guru. Why the sky of moon is found black? It is shadowed by earth. It has no atmosphere. Sun is very far away. None of this. Answer option B, it has no atmosphere. Who got Ezhuthachan Puraskaram in 2022? T. Padmanabhan, M.T. Vasudevan Nair, P. Valsala, Sethu. Answer option D, Sethu. The largest traditional industry of Kerala is coir, handloom, cashew, pottery. Answer option A, coir. What news did Nehru announce with the words, "The light has gone from our lives"? The death of Mahatma Gandhi, the death of Motilal Nehru, the death of B.R. Ambedkar, the death of Sardar Patel. Answer option A, the death of Mahatma Gandhi. Koneru Hampi is known in the field of cricket, basketball, chess, athletics. Answer option C, chess. The present Chief Information Commissioner of Kerala is Palat Mohandas, C.B. Matthews, Gigi Thompson, Vishwas Mehta. Answer option D, Vishwas Mehta. Which Greek philosopher, better known for a mathematical theorem, propounded the Transmigration of soul into a new body after death. Socrates, Pythagoras, Aristotle, Euclid. Answer option B, Pythagoras. Which of the following is supreme in India? President, Parliament, Supreme Court, Constitution. Answer option D, Constitution.